January, and I'm doing a great big, massive, huge set of angel wings that lights up. Hopefully, if it works out, I'm going to use this 50 meters of jiffy foam, which is like packing foam for packaging, and because I'm extra, I want to have me wings light up. Yeah, so I've got LED smart lights that you can get up to your phone and control the colour, patterns, whatever, with a power pack because they're USB, a glue gun, sharp knife, wire cutters. I've got like a crafting pipe that's got aluminium inside, but I don't know if I'm going to use that yet, or the wire for structure. Elasticated elastic, like what you use for your waist to make the shoulder straps to get the wings on. And yeah, never made them before, but let's see what happens. Angel wings for absolutely ages. So yeah, just so you know, I'll make them all up. I made the template. I had to solidly glue the piece of paper together before it out. So this is one of them. It's going to be, I don't know if you can see. So yeah, it's going to be like that. And it'll be bigger again once I've made all the feathers and glued them on. Right, part 3, maybe. Because my roll of foam isn't large enough, I have to cut it in 3 strips and glue it together with contact cement. So now I'll be able to make a wing out of it. Yeah, so when you're doing this, when you do the second wing, you need to flip the template the other way, if that makes sense, so it's mirrored. So you've got one wing for each side. Oh my god, I literally can't wait to do these, you know, can't wait to see what they look like. I have wanted, I'm mad at angels and angel wings, and I've wanted them for I don't know how long. And then I was fuming because I had these in my head to make, and then Victoria's Secret come back out again, didn't we? And I was like, oh, everyone's going to think now that I've done that because of Victoria's Secret. But it is what it is, so I don't care. I just want a big massive set of angel wings. Oh, so I don't know whether you can see. Don't stop. I don't know whether you can see from there. The wings. There we go. My dreams don't stop moving. Oh my god, I have a little ball when things work out, you know. Makes me so happy, it's like a little buzz. Hi, so it occurs to me that I best test my lights out, because I haven't yet. So we've got the LED strips, so let's have a little nose. And I've got 20 meters, and it gives me 2 rolls, which is sound. What's going on here? Yeah, so 10 meters, let's have a nose. Ooh. So it's meant to be self-adhesive as well. So I'm going to put them in the wings. Yeah, so I've got 2 rolls of them. We've got a remote. I'll have to read the instructions and see what's happening. And I think they plug into each of them, and then that goes into, I bought a power bank. So that I'll have to, it feels a bit heavy that actually. We'll have to see where I'm going to conceal this. I need somewhere to hide it, because the model's going to be wearing them after I've that on them. And you're meant to be able to, you've got a remote control, but you're meant to be able to get an app on your phone. I don't know what you do with this. I'll have to have a look at the instructions. This is where I'm like, babe, how do we do this? So yeah, that's that. Let's have a nose. And then next I'm going to show you the next step with the wings, which is cutting out the base of the wings. So yeah, let's do that. So the work. I thought I was going to have to plug this in. I don't need any extra wires. Both of the lights are working. Yeah, I've got to get that app. Have a knows how you do it. Because I think you can change all of them, and I think you can make them flash to music as well. And I can have them pastel colours. I think you can do patterns like make it pixelated so the lights come on each step, if you get what I mean. I don't know if you do, but I know what I mean. So that's all. So I can't wait to have a go with these. I thought they were going to be thicker, so they're going to be dead easy and dead light to put in the wings. Oh my god, I can't wait. So yeah, the next step is the base of the wings. So yeah, let's do that. So this is quite a tedious part of it, is cutting all these feathers. I've no idea how many feathers I need. So I'm cutting loads and hoping that's enough, because I don't want to be halfway through the job and have to stop to cut more feathers. And I've got plenty of foam, so I'm going to cut as many as I can be bothered doing in one go and hope that's enough. So the foam, you can get it all over the place, Amazon, different places, and I can't remember the name of the company I got mine off, but I found it cheaper and it was £20, plus that was with including the post and packaging. For I think you need 2mm thick, and I got 50 yards, which is more than enough. I might potentially get two sets of wings out of that. So this is Angel Wings, Light of Angel Wings, part 3, I think. And 5% back. So we'll finish these today. I have made them before, the base, you've seen me do that. And now I'm going to have a go. With Amex cashback. Representative. I'm putting the feathers on. So this is what I figured out now. I can use the laser, but you've got to be super quick. But this is what it's looking like so far, and I think I'm going to have to cut more feathers out, because I've got to do both sides, front and back of these. Oh my god, it's going to be unreal. Amazing, isn't it? What do you reckon? It's going to take well longer than I thought. I've got to do the other side and then the other side and put lights in, and I'm going to have to put more feathers as well. So I've folded the wings in half so I can match the feathers, you know, the length going around the edges, so that way try and keep them so they look the same, if that makes sense. So I've used the hot glue gun to glue the rafting pipe onto the top part of the wings. I don't know if you can see it in this bit, but I'll show you in another video. And now I'm going to apply the straps to keep it on. So yeah, I'm going to do that is qualifying with the glasses over these ones. We just burn the edges of that so it doesn't fray. Right, so I have to go and find something to put it over through this way. Right, so put the hole through and the cable wire. Right, so that end. I'm not zooming in because I'm recording this as I go by myself, so I'll show you in a minute a close up. So yeah, that's just going underneath the pipe. And tighten the cable tie as tight as it goes, and then I'm going to hot glue gun that as well so it doesn't move. And that's basically the strap to get them on and off and wear them. Same to the other side. And that's the straps on. Cut them, get them cable ties as tight as I can. Chop the ends off. And then glue gun so they don't move. So this is what I want. Cable ties through the elastic around the pipe. And that's how to get them on and keep them on. I'm just going to glue gun the cable ties and that so they don't move about and stay in place. And now it's going to be the light. So there's the pipe. It's bent, it's one piece and it bends round. And that's hot glue guns on. And that's to keep the shape of the wings and keep them up.
Look at this.
Oh my God.
Isn't it great?
Chris.
I know, it's my dream.
I have goosebumps everywhere. This is out of this world.
See you, Lance. You're feeling them, aren't you?